Then the dormouse, the person who's sitting in the middle, what he said, you might just as well say. But he just pretending that he was sleeping. That I breathe when I sleep is the same thing as I when I breathe. It is the same thing with you, said the hatter. Here the conversation came to an end and the party became silent because what we say, a meaningless talking were going on, that what I want, what I see, what I eat. This the word is get used by the hatter, and what the hair. I like what I get, the same thing as I get what I like. Okay. Then there's such kind of conversation. At last it gets stopped. While Alice thought over all she could remember about ravens, ravens means a bird, and they're writing a desk which doesn't much. Okay, then this such kind of riddles get asked by the hatter to the Alice. कि बताओ मुझे, जैसे तुम्हारा riddles होते हैं that in a one plate 12 bowls with 3 spoons, then answer is your clock. Okay, in the same way, such kind of riddles get asked by the hatter, and that riddle is asked by the hatter is what? I see what I eat. Then the very and the Alice what say? Oh, I give it if I don't know. You just give me the answer. Then the hatter said, no, I have a smallest idea. Mark said, Nora. Then the Alice take a breath and he think that it is a better with the time. Okay, I think you might do something better with the time. She said that waste it asking readers that have no answers. Really, if you are asking a question that doesn't have answer, it doesn't mean of it. उसको मीनिंगलेस आंसर है ना, उसको पूछने की कुछ जरूरत ही नहीं है. अगर आपको आंसर्स नहीं पता तो why you ask the question? Such kind of conversations are told by the Alice to the hatter. If you knew time as well as I do, said the hatter, you wouldn't talk about wasting it. Okay, so what is this one? Hatter said, if you know about a timing, then don't waste it. Okay, of course, then the hatter said that tossing a head disagreeantly that you never spoke about a time. Why they should not spoke about a time? Because the unknowingly, uninvitedly, she comes for the party. Then the Alice said, perhaps, means not sure. Alice carefully answered, but I know I have to beat time when I learn music. Okay, I have to beat the time. I have to beat the time means you can do work within as soon as possible, early as soon as possible. So that is what beat time. उसको क्या कहते हैं? Beating the time. I guess idioms में हमने ये पढ़ा है. Then account for it, said the hatter. He won't stand beating. Now, if you only kept on good terms with him, he had almost anything you liked with the clock. For instance, suppose we were on a 9 o'clock in the morning, just time to begin a lesson. You had only have a whisper and hint time, and round goes the cloud in a twinkling. 1:30, time for dinner. So here what happened, the hatter was is what is saying, that give the proper explanation. Okay, don't say that, don't use the words of beating these and all. Now it's a morning time, we have to begin a day with the proper words. Okay, then that would be grand, said the Alice thoughtfully, but then I shouldn't be hungry for it. You know, means what? All saying that now we all are having a tea party. Okay, now first paragraph that what the Alice is saying that I'm not hungry at all. Then the hatter is said, but you keep it 1:30 as long as you like. जो तुम आपको पसंद है, because in this they shows that the hatter is showing time to the Alice. Now it's a time. Now it is a 1:30. 1:30 it's a 30 minutes. It's for the dinner. Now we have given him. Now you just answer it. Okay. Now it is then Alice was saying, I'm not hungry at all. But still Hatter said, now you have as fast as long as you like. A bright idea came into Alice's head. That is that the reason so many tea things are put out here, she asked. Yes, that is it, said the Hatter with a sigh. It is always tea time. We have no time to wash the things between whiles. See what the hatter is saying. Always we are keeping all the tea materials out because they don't have time to wash it. Then you keep moving around, I suppose. Exactly, said by the hatter. The thing gets used up. But what happens when you come to the beginning again? Suppose we change the subject, the March interrupted, yawning. I'm getting tired of the young lady tells us a story. It means that what the hatter and the mass said, now it's time to all the conversation begin and stop. Now I'm get tired by listening the stories from the Alice. Okay, now I want the young lady to tell us story. Okay, now he gives the hare, gives the chance to the young lady to tell a story. Then the Alice what said, I am afraid because I don't know one. She doesn't know the story. Then the dormouse shall both the cried. Wake up, dormouse, they paint the both side at once. In this picture, you can see this the March and the hatter. What they were doing, they were just trying to get up the dormouse to get up and tell the story. Then the dormouse slowly opened his eyes. I wasn't sleeping. He said that I have a weak voice. I heard very word you fellows were saying. It means whatever the discussions were going on, all that discussions were heard by the dormouse. So here is a mad party. Why it is called a mad party? It means that the peoples are there. Okay, the peoples are there, but they didn't wash. They didn't wash the tea materials. Always there is a tea party because they don't have a time. And suddenly Alice get joined, and when the Alice get joined, then they had a conversation of the riddles. But the Alice unable to answer of that riddles. Okay, such kind of the mad party get happens. Then the match hare said that please give me an answer. Just tell me a story to the Alice. Alice said, I don't know. Then this both hare and the hatter said they trying to wake up the dormouse, and the dormouse will say the story, but the slowly they open the eyes that I don't know the story. Okay, students, so this is we are done with our lesson.